Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for the flight status using your flight number in the Alaska Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Flight Status button. And if at the top of the page, if your button is at the flight number section, it is good. And for this you have to provide your flight number. And then you have to set the date as well, and just click on this blue button to get the flight status. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.